Hello everyone, welcome to 5x Crypto, and today we will see this particular project, and it is EquitX, which is being built on Stellar. It is currently on Testnet, and you can check out their Testnet and get the rewards. We will unleash it all in this video itself. So for this, I will provide a link in the description. You just have to click on that link, but make sure that you have a Gmail account. You can simply create one, or you can log into your existing one, and you would also require a Stellar wallet. For that, just simply type Freighter wallet on your Google or any other browser of your choice. After that, this is where it will take you, but make sure to go with the Freighter as it is the only supportable wallet currently on the EquitX platform. So after getting this wallet and getting your account on Zile, simply open up the Zile quests. I will provide the link for that. You can just simply click on it and you would directly reach out to this place. Here you would find 3 different levels. You just have to complete them. Quite easy to do. All you have to do is just some likes on Twitter and some retweets and some easy tasks. And this way you would be able to complete these tasks quite easily, as I have completed the level 1 already. The level 2 is in the review. Let's see how it all unfolds. And the more XP points you accumulate, the better your chances of getting the airdrop. And the good thing about this airdrop is that it is less farmed. Not many people know about this airdrop, so you would have the advantage of sharing a part of the rewards, so you might end up getting a good amount of airdrop. This is just a review video of this airdrop. We will talk about it in detail in our upcoming video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want me to talk about any other thing specifically related to this particular project, then just comment down below and I would be happy to create a video about it in future or in the upcoming weeks. So see you in the next video. Until then, just hit that like button.